I'll show you the best free Shopify themes for beginners. So the way you can go to themes is that you can go to online store here, and then you can go to themes here, right? Now on themes here, let's just wait for this to load. Now, once it loads, you can scroll down and then you can see there's a theme library here, right? But it's still empty. That's because we need to design our store here, right? So there's a couple of free ones we can get. Now you can see there's a couple like Dawn, Spotlight, Craft, Sense, and Refresh. I do recommend you to use every one of these, right? So all of these are pretty good. It's pretty good for beginners as well. These are curated specifically by Shopify. So Refresh, Sense, Craft, Spotlight, and Dawn are all pretty good. Now, if you want to find more, you can tap on this to visit this theme store, and I'm going to recommend some more here, right? Now, on here, you want to filter it by free here, right? So we can get all of the free one here. Now, these aren't the one we saw earlier, Spotlight Craft Theme. Now, there's a couple of other ones. Now, I particularly like Write and Studio because these are very professional. There's also Origin here. There's Crave, there's Publisher, and there's also Crave, and there's also Color Book here, right? So out of all of these, I do recommend this one, Write, because it is a pretty good design here, right? So you can see these are pretty sleek, pretty good here, right? So these are one of my favorite one, a distinct dynamic theme that champions the world of sports. But it doesn't have to be sports, to be honest. You can customize this style to be anything you'd like. There's also a couple of free themes outside of Shopify in GitHub, but I do recommend on Shopify only because it's pretty well integrated already. Now, you can tap on View Theme Store here to see what the theme will look like here. So this is what it looks like in action. It's pretty good, right? So if you want to try the theme, just tap on this button to try the theme.